Here's how to assemble the embossed Color Twin connector for the Menowa Emboss and the Memoriatone Plus. You will need a cut emboss body and a cut Color Twin body, a large emboss cap, a mallet, and one pen grip. Begin by putting the emboss body back plug side first on the tip side of the cut CT body. Now try to push the emboss body onto the Color Twin body a bit. Try not to get any marks on the barrel. Put the large emboss cap on the tip side of the Color Twin. Now use a mallet to slowly push the emboss body into position. Once you think your emboss body is far enough, take your pen grip and put it on the other side. Remove the large emboss cap by wiggling it until it comes off. Check to see if both sides are even. If both sides are not even, go ahead and repeat this process until both sides are even. In my example, the Color Twin body is 3.7 centimeters, while the emboss body is 1.2 centimeters. Therefore, there should be 1.25 centimeters on both sides of the Color Twin connector. And once you finish assembling your Color Twin connector, go ahead and assemble the body of your mod. And that's how you assemble the emboss body Color Twin connector.